I got sent the coolest device. I had to share it with you guys. This is the PMD Redvolution. So it is a face cleanser on one side and then red light therapy on the other. You keep this in your shower, in your bathroom. It's waterproof. I'm going to do a demo. This is going to be our before, and then we'll do our after to see how clean it gets your face. And then also just the benefits of red light therapy. I'm super into red light therapy for anti-aging and all the benefits that come with it. Okay, so should we start? Here's what you get. So you're going to get a USB charger for it. And it has this really cool probe down here. This is where you charge it. It goes in like that. Because it has that really waterproof seal to it, I can keep this in my shower. It's okay if it gets wet. You also get this little case, and this is kind of cool. You get goggles. I haven't used these yet. Do look like they are waterproof. So if you wanted to put these on and use them, I guess, in the shower, or probably if you're taking a bath, want to lay back and use this around your face, you can. I just use the red light therapy around my face without the goggles and I'm fine. But obviously, if you want to use the goggles, you can use that too. Okay, I did turn on that button. So let me turn that one off because we're going to start with the cleansing first. So let me go get my face wet and I'll be right back. Let's do it. Cleanser. So normally I would just cleanse using my hands, let it stay on my face, and then I'm done. But because I have this nifty Redvolution, I'm gonna get a really deep clean. And I've been finding that it works wonders. So this is a nice silicone over here. You never need to take it off. It just cleans very, very easily. And there's a button in the back here. You can push it once for the low level or twice for the high level. And then just go in circular motions. And then turn it to the off position when you're done. This is going 7,000 vibrations per minute. And a lot of users report that this really helps with blackheads and just open up the pores and get that deep, deep clean. So that is what it is doing. Now, once your pores are open, you can move to the red light side. Once you have contact with your skin, it turns on. So I like that it doesn't waste the red light until it contacts your face. Now you can do what I'm doing where I'm just kind of like touching, or you can glide with it. Now, because I'm not in the shower, my skin isn't quite as wet as it normally would, so it's not gliding as easily. But if you want to, you could sit and kind of glide this over your skin. Now, what does red light therapy do? Well, red light therapy is helping to boost the collagen in your skin, and that is helping to really turn over your skin and make it look more youthful. So that collagen gives it that plump, youthful appearance, which we all want. And this is using medical grade LED lights. Now you can use this for 3 to 20 minutes. I personally am not in the shower for 20 minutes unless I'm doing a major hair care routine, but you can take this out of the shower. So it doesn't have to just be when you are bathing. You can absolutely use this anytime, which is really cool. I love that you kind of get two devices in one. So I'm just gliding it along right now. It does get a little warm. And what's neat is it also vibrates too when it has that first initial contact. And I do feel like because I just cleansed my skin, the red light may be penetrating even deeper. You can use red light therapy all over your body. So you can use it on your chest, on your neck area, on your arms, all over. Turn that off and it's ready to use again next time. And of course, I would rinse that. Okay, so I'm gonna rinse my face off here with this wet washcloth. And then I'm gonna dry it with this dry side. Okay, and here is our after talk about squeaky clean skin. It feels nice and tight. I'm ready to apply my serums and moisturizers. I think this is one of the coolest gadgets out there. Cleansing device and red light therapy all in one. Plus it's waterproof, lightweight. This thing is awesome. If you're into red light therapy like I am, I think you are gonna love this next video I have on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to my anti-aging skincare channel.